Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we create a table in AutoCAD. So for that, you have to click on this home button, and here in this annotation group, just click on this table. Just after clicking, this box appears where you have to select insert options, and here you must select this start from empty table. And then you have to specify the number of columns and the number of rows. I'm entering 3 number of columns and 3 number of rows, and you don't have to enter here the width of the column or width of the rows because it's gonna take it automatically. And then just click OK. And now you have to specify the first corner of the table using your cursor. Just click on that screen and then specify the opposite corner and click on the screen. Now if you want to change the dimension of your table, then just select it and use the scale command to change the dimension. If you want to enter the data, then just double click on the cells, select it, and you can use here dimension, 1 fit, enter. Similarly, you can enter the data in the each cells. So guys, this way you can create a table in AutoCAD. You can also use the shortcut command table, enter. Again, select the number of columns, click on OK, specify the first point, second point, and it's done. So guys, this way you can create a table in AutoCAD. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.